A flavorful stir-fried noodle dish with a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. A spicy and tangy salad made with shredded green papaya, chilies, lime, and peanuts. A hot and sour soup featuring shrimp, lemongrass, lime leaves, and Thai chili paste. Grilled skewers of marinated meat, often served with a tasty peanut sauce. Fragrant fried rice mixed with vegetables, egg, and your choice of meat or seafood. A delightful dessert made with sweet sticky rice topped with ripe mango slices and drizzled with coconut milk.